So I woke up to a phone call from my wife the other day telling me that somehow the door to the quail hutch had become open, knocked open, and 5 of the quail had flown out and gone missing. So, oh great, I thought to myself, just another thing I need to worry about when it's the day before my first farmer's market, and there's a lot of things that I need to do to get ready for my first market. But I guess first thing that I'm going to be doing this morning is chasing quail around the yard and hopefully finding all of them, or at least most of them. So stay tuned, this will be fun. Well, I found one right here in my compost pile. I wonder if his friends are nearby. I don't really have time today to chase after quail, but maybe they just wanted to go dig in this pile. You found one of my quail. Hey, where'd your friends go? You gonna let me grab you? Oh man, he just really wanted a dust bath. They can't be far. Yeah. Yeah. It got out? The baby got out. You really wanted to go in this big sandbox, huh? You think I can grab it? Why not? I think it would get scared and try to fly away. Stay. Stay. Hey. I gotcha. Hey. Jeez. I got one. Ah. Guess I need better latches on these doors, eh? It's out. What's out? Did you find another quail? No. That's a quail. That's one of ours. Don't chase it. Don't chase it. I'm gonna try to grab it. Maddie, don't chase it. Come here, buddy. You wanna come back to the house? Come here. Where are you going? Don't make me climb in here. You wanna go back? See your friends? Where are you? Where are you? Quail. Hey, come here. Come here. Come here. Oh boy. You know what we need? We need some food. Come here. Don't chase it. Don't chase it. Do you know where the other ones went? Come here. Come here. Ah! Stop. Come here. Come here. You gotta go back. You gotta go back to the others. Come here. You don't want to go through here. Come here. Jeez. They can fly. We need a net. Do you have a net? Hey. No, 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 no. Oh, this one's not going to be easy. I'm not sure what else to do because that one quail wouldn't let me grab it. So I'm giving them some food and some sand to play in. And Matthew's giving some more black soldier fly larvae. Right, Maddie? Call the quail. Tell it to come.
Beep.
Come back. We got some food for you. I don't know where it went. It was hiding in this bush, so we'll leave it here. Say it again. Where? Oh, you found it. Yeah. Good job, Maddie. Your food's over here. Yeah, it was a good job.
Baby.
Yeah, the food's here. Come here. Do you want some food?
Baby. And food.
Eat your food. And sand. Hey, that's not your sand. That's the quail's sand. Come on, Matthew. We're trying to lure the quail back. Stay with me. Update, all I needed was this little net. Oh, now I just gotta keep it in here, I guess. Put it back. Whew. There you go, you're back. All right, oh, we got 5. We need to catch 3 more. So here I was about to water my little tomato plants here, and I noticed I'm watering a quail. So I found another quail that snuck out. Looks like trying to get into the chicken pen. This is a good way to see the difference in size between quail and chicken. They are maybe 4 or 5 times larger. Do you want to go back in? Huh? I can give you some treats. I put some treats on the ground. Don't you want some worms? Very interested. You really want to get in there. I think they would eat you up. I gotcha. I'd say I'd be fairly successful at getting most of these quail back. I had only 3 this morning, and I found 3 more during the day today, but there's still 2 more that are out there, somewhere around here. Couldn't have gone too far, but I don't really have time to chase quail because tomorrow is my first market day, so I got to get ready for my market, and I've been doing that the last few days this week, but I still need to bag a few more bags of salad mix up and get all of my market stuff together for my first market at a new place tomorrow, so I'm kind of nervous but excited. So the next issue that I didn't realize was going to be an issue on my agenda the day before my first market was having to troubleshoot my Coolbot air conditioner unit for my cooler. And I use this cooler for my farmer's market to keep all my totes of salad mix and greens and radishes. All my root vegetables go in totes in this cooler. It's not very big, but for the size of my farm, this is all that I need to keep everything fresh. But the problem is, this Coolbot is supposed to cool the temperatures down to 34 degrees, or whatever you want to set it at. But for some reason, it wouldn't go below 60 degrees. And I had to watch a couple videos on the Coolbot website to troubleshoot something that usually would get me very frustrated and possibly cause me to stop and just give up. But I somehow figured out the problem. I went through all the things. Was it the air conditioner? Was the filter dirty? Was somehow one of the codes on the Coolbot wrong? And that turned out to be what it was. There was some cooling code that somehow got switched, and I had to change it to the factory settings, and all of a sudden everything was cooling again. So I was able to keep everything in the fridge before my first market, and yeah, so I was able to figure that out, and I was very grateful for that. Also, if you are interested in this Coolbot system, I did a video on that something like 2 years ago. I'll put a link to that when I set all of this up. But it's pretty cool, and it could be used for a lot of different purposes. Like if you're a hunter or something and wanted a place to store, you know, some meat or something like that, you could do a lot of different things with that, not just for markets. But I was able to buy a used fridge, and the fridge compressor was actually broken, but I didn't care about the compressor. I just wanted this insulated unit, and I was able to just put an air conditioner to blow air into it, connect it to the Coolbot, and I was able to make a market fridge for very, very affordable, actually less than $1,000 total to make my own fridge. And if you look at the prices of a brand new market fridge or just a brand new cooler, you might look at $5,000 to $10,000 or more depending on the size. So this is a great way, economical way for a small farm to get into, to be able to cool your food and do it on a budget. And hey, that's gonna wrap up this video on my latest issues on the Homestead. But hey, they were issues, but we solved them. So everything's all right. And glad you tuned in. If you found this video entertaining or educational in any way, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.